Hey man, what are we going to do today?
We're going to do an ostrich burger.
Ostrich burger! So Michael, what's the difference between Australian emu and African ostrich?
The emu is the second largest land bird, ostrich being the first.
So in Australia you eat
emus? Larger. Yeah, we eat emus, but we can't get over here, so we're doing the next best thing of the ostrich, which is quite good.
So Michael, what's inside?
Ostrich, it's not very fatty, so we've got to add a bit more fat in there, 15 to 20% of fat, just to give it that nice juiciness to the burger. We're going to take nice little form, bit of fat, roughly around the 200 gram mark. Give it a nice squeeze together.
It feels different, yeah. It feels different from beef burgers.
Very different. It's a little bit wetter. Just a little bit of salt, both sides. Let the meat rest here just for a couple of minutes with the salt, and we just get ready to grill.
We have a grill to complete maximum. You don't need any low temperature, anything like that. Okay, that's the Australian way of making burgers. I like it.
Red meat.
Okay.
Let's do it. At the same time, Casper's just putting that meat on. We're going to throw just a few of the red onions on the other side.
Grilling ostrich is very similar to grilling beef. That's why we can eat it red.
Just be careful, yeah. Just check the burgers off now. Let's have a little look. We're going to take the onions off. Now we're going to turn the burger for the final time. We'll take some Mimolette cheese we decided to use. The Mimolette cheese, a little bit strong tasting flavour, it goes very well with the ostrich meat. So we'll close that up. 1 minute, we're ready to go.
Tops. So we're using one of my sauces, yeah? Which one?
One with the whiskey and pineapple and the orange habanero. So we're just going to take a little bit of that, just onto the bottom, just a little bit on the top. So there's a mix of sauces, whatever you feel like. So now we're ready with that. Burgers have rested. Burgers are all together. Just going to cut yours in half.
Okay.
Beautiful, medium rare.
Tak to wygląda.
Let's enjoy. Cheers.
Yeah, let's try. It's really, really good.
Really good.
It's fucking good, man. Michael, thank you very much. It was wonderful to have you on my videos. I mean, it's really great experience. And listen, I hope I'll see you next time in one of my videos.
Let's do it.
It was a wonderful time. Thank you.
Thank you.